Products, digital marketing training and support specialist. Welcome aboard to today's live broadcast. I'm going to take this opportunity to just pull up the chat on our Facebook page here so I can keep up with you guys. All right, good. And there we go. All right, I got the chat up. I am ready to rock and roll. Good morning, everybody. Again, Keck here with Builderall, information products, digital marketing training, and support specialist. Guess what we're going to talk about today? Oh, that's right. I wrote it down here. You don't have to guess. The social proof pop-up. That's right. Good morning, Ray, Alex. Howdy, buddy. Good to have you guys with me. Good Tuesday morning, the 16th of February today. And we're going to give just a second here, see if anybody else is going to hop on. And of course, we can't start until that our friend shows up. I haven't seen him yet. So should be just a minute here. And we're going to get into this social proof pop-up. It's a really cool tool and really simple to use, really. So I'm excited to share this with you. It's powerful. So we'll give it just another minute here. I don't know if you guys had the opportunity to be on that on the meetings yesterday, the Monday meeting. If you haven't, I think there's a replay probably in the affiliates official group, and a little preview of Builderall 5.0 coming this summer. And we got introduced officially to Marshall Silver and got to hear about how he's going to be part of the Builderall family and what his role is going to be. And wow, super, super exciting. Big stuff here, big stuff. So hope you got a chance to, oh, there he is. He almost snuck by me today. There goes Mr. Rooster. That is our cue right there to rise and grind. Grab your cup of joe or whatever it is that makes you go, and let's get a little Builderall training in. So here we go. Let's do this. Since the Rooster has showed up, that means it's time to get busy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And we're going to share this one here. Share. All right. So I'm just going to bring this tab over here so you guys can see. So here is my, see if I can get out of this here. So here's our back office, and we're going to deal with this social proof pop-up. Okay. We'll just enter here so you can kind of get familiar with it. And oh, you know what? That might be the old one I have there. Yeah, that is the old one. That's not the one we want. Let's see. Here it is. This is the new one here. Social proof pop-up. Social proof pop-up. I got it in here twice. Let me see. Is this the one? Yes, this is the one. This is the new one. I'm going to go back here and just take the old one off because it can be confusing. Take it off my dashboard there. Yes. Okay. So social proof pop-up. Pretty cool. Hey, good morning, Carl. Thanks for joining us. So here on our dashboard from the social proof, you can see if you've got campaigns and records and clicks. You can see my campaigns. This is going to be all these social proof pop-ups you already have built. I've got one built here. Translations, you can translate them into different languages here. All right. And then the little hamburger menu, that's just going to show us the same stuff. So a real simple interface here. But the way I want to show you how to do it is through a website. Okay. So let's go to our Cheetah builder here, and we'll go ahead and pop into a website. We're going to use, which one are we going to use? We're going to use this Boost Your Immune System one as an example. Actually, let me show you before I do. Sorry, I'm happy clicking again. Let me show you how it looks on a site here. All right, so let me go to this site. I just put it on here yesterday. Okay, so here's my real estate audio exam thing. And look in the bottom left here. Oops, there goes my pop-up. So look here, it's going to pop up in the bottom left. You'll notice I had an exit pop-up. Oh, there we go. Jenny from Orlando just joined the audio review 5 minutes ago. Well, that's cool. And then we'll just linger here for another minute or two, and we'll see another one will pop up. Kathy from Sarasota just joined the audio review 10 minutes ago. Okay, so that's the idea there. It's social proof. So they come to your website, whatever it is you've got to offer, and they're thinking, oh, and then all of a sudden they see, oh, somebody just bought it. Oh, somebody else bought it. Well, this must be a good thing, right? So that's the idea. social proof pop-up. Now, since it is a pop-up, it is clickable. I don't have this one set to be clickable, so there's nothing to click on here. See, my cursor doesn't go to the little finger. Because I didn't need that for this. I just want them to see that. I'm not wanting them to click on it, but that's an option. Okay, so this is how it looks, okay? Doug from Coral Gables just joined the audio review. Everybody's joining the audio review, right? Okay, so Jose, good morning. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Okay, so that's how it looks done. So let's just show you how to do it now. So let's go to this Boost website. And this is the home page where I have the front end offer. Okay, so we want to go over here to social proof on the left. Okay, it's on our settings here on our My Pages page here. Okay, so go down to social proof, and here's where you can select a campaign. Now, if you've never selected a campaign and you don't have any social proof campaigns built yet, this is not going to pop up. Okay, so here I can select, look at all the different campaigns. And this is cool because this is, unlike the headers and footers, this apparently works across your different websites, okay? Because I built this one obviously on my real estate website, and now I'm on my Boost Your Immune System website, and it's showing here. So that's pretty cool. So nothing to select here. So I'm going to say go to new social proof. So we're going to the app here, and we are going to go here to create new campaign. Okay, new campaign. And the campaign name here we'll call Boost Your Immune System. Okay, Boost Your Immune System action label. Okay, so the action label is going to be what action? Where mine says just join the audio review. Here, let's say for Boost Your Immune System, let's say, how about this? Decided to boost their immune system. Okay, let's get the spelling right. And let's capitalize that D. All right, decided to boost their immune system. Oh, let's capitalize that I. Okay, so this is the message going to show up. It's going to be like, Jimmy decided to boost their immune system, or Jimmy from Florida, or whatever. So let's go with that. A builder-all application to collect data. Now, what this is we have some choices here on this website. Where's that data going to come from that says, Billy joined or whatever? It can come from your e-learning, if you have that set up and connected, a web form, sheet of members area, contact form, a mailing boss form. So, if they opt into any of these, you can use those as the data source for this social proof pop-up. Okay, so let's say for us, members area, sheet of members area. Okay. So whenever somebody joins and buys this Boost Your Immune System product, and they end up having to register on the site at the same time, is the way I've got this one set up. So whenever they register, somebody comes in and registers, that data will be collected, and that's what's going to show up on the social proof pop-up. Okay, URL to navigate upon pop-up click. So if you want them to click the pop-up and take them somewhere, here's where you would put that in there, okay? So that's that. Again, I don't really use it in that way. I just use a regular pop-ups in that way. You can, but that's not the way I'm using it. Okay. Now, pop-up timing, pop-up display interval. This is in seconds, FYI. So it's going to pop up every 30 seconds, and it's going to stay there for 5 seconds. That's how this works. So I've determined I like 8 seconds. Because somebody comes on your website, you only have a short amount of time to grab their attention. You don't know how long they're going to be there. So I like that first social proof pop-up to come up a little sooner. Okay, so I got it set for 8 seconds, and it will remain for 5. Now we have the appearance. It can be the default, right, or dark, and that's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a dark theme. Okay, so there you go. And icon. Okay, so you can drag and drop an icon here. So let's do that. Let's select a picture from my downloads. I'm going to select the logo for that Boost Your Immune System. Let me see if I can find it here real quick. Bear with me here. I'm old, and these are little tiny pictures. I got my old people glasses on. It's working, but it takes a second. I don't see it there. All right. Well, let's just pretend. Okay. So let's. This is funny. Okay. So let's go with this turkey. This will be fun. Okay, gobble. That's going to be my icon. Okay, so we'll leave that there, and then show user location. Okay, so let's enable that, and that's where it's going to show where they're from. So that if that's not on your form, that's probably not going to show up. So just something to keep in mind there. And display on mobile phone. You can choose to have it display or not display on the mobile phone. It looks pretty good. I have it displayed on mobile phone. So let's do that. And then this is for position on screen. So here we can choose, it's going to be, hi, Stacy, welcome. It's going to be on the bottom left. It's going to be on the bottom right, top left, top right. I like it on the bottom left, but put it where you want it. Play with it. I'm not sure what's going to be best for you. Okay. Oh, let's enable that bottom left. Okay. And then custom CSS cascading sheet system. That is for some advanced stuff. If you want to put some code or some CSS stuff in there, which I really don't know anything about. So don't worry about that unless you know about it and want to use it. Okay. So let's press create. Okay, so now we've got two. Here's the one we've just created. And if we press on the three little dots here, you can see some options. Edit campaign, get embed code, which is cool because you could put this on a different website once you've got the code. Click statistics, show records, ghost records, delete campaign. So let me go through these a little bit. Edit campaign options. This is going to take us back right to where we were, okay? The next one is going to be get embed code. Pretty straightforward. You just press copy here. You'll copy that embed code. And then click statistics, clicks today, yesterday, last 7 days. Again, this is only going to work if you've got it enabled to click, right? If you want them to click on it. And then go, let's see, show records. Good morning, Tom. Welcome. No records in this campaign yet to show. Okay. And then ghost records. What is this? This is pretty cool. Let me show you what this is, ghost records. So you know how we have the webinar app that you have the ability to have ghost users on there. You can do the same thing with the social proof pop-up. So let me show you. We could say user's name, Keck, okay? Just for an example, Keck, country to display. I will say United States. City to display, I'll say St. Augustine, and ghost action will say 5 minutes ago. And you can manipulate this. It can be minutes, hours, days, and you can put whatever number value you want in here. Okay, and we'll say add record. Okay, so let me add another one. So I'll show you how it works. Let's see, Stacy. We'll use Stacy for this one. United States, and don't remember where Stacy is. I'm going to say in uh, um, just say LA, okay? And ghost action here. Let's say that she actually came on 45 minutes ago. Okay, add record, and I'll do one more. Let's see. We'll go with Ray here, and Ray from the United States. Let's say Ray is in Tampa, and again, let's say Ray. He decided to boost his immune system 1 day ago, okay? And good. Okay, so I'll just show you these. So these are examples, and then you have to enable it here to show ghost records. So we'll press that, it's enabled, and we'll click off of that. Okay, and there we go. So it's pretty much built out now. So now let's go to our website here, and let me just close this and give it a refresh. Okay, and let's see. Let me open up this page. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Let me go back to the home here. Just leave. All right, yeah, so let's go to the left here and do social proof. Okay. And now it should pick up our other campaign. Yes. Okay. So now it's got our Boost Your Immune System campaign. And now we get to tell it what page we want that on. So I want it on the front end offer VSL page, this one right here, which is my home page. And let's see, is there another page I might want it in on? Video upgrade sales letter page. Let's go with the opt-in. So while they're deciding to opt in, they'll see that also. So let's say save. Okay, and remember, anything you do over here, you want to go ahead and republish to make sure it takes effect. And let's check it out now. We'll go to this website. It's been republished. And we'll count down here. You look in the lower left here. And I think I set it at 8 seconds. May or may not happen because republishing sometimes takes a little time. So let me just copy this and take it over to an incognito tab and paste. All right, let's see what we get down here. Six, 7, 8, and not quite yet. Okay, let's refresh. Oh, here's something else to mention to you. As I was working with this and testing it yesterday, I'm going to refresh one more time just to make sure I got the current version. And I was talking with Shelly a little bit about the social pop-up tool, and I was asking her if it was working because for some reason it wasn't really working for me. But then all of a sudden it just started working. She said, that's kind of the way it works for some reason with the social proof. When you're testing it, it might not show up so immediately. Not sure why, but then all of a sudden it just showed up. So it does take sometimes a little time to publish. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I've got something just for this occasion, I think. All right, let me mess with it just a little more. How you like that? Okay, let's see what we got here. One more time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and nothing. Okay. Let me turn Jeopardy down a little bit. All right. So let me go back and let's just try some things here as far as we'll go in. We'll take a look, make sure it's activated. Social proof. Okay, it's on save. We've got it on the Boost Your Immune System front end and the opt-in. Okay, let's save it again. And I'll just republish again just for fun. And let's go check it out again. Yeah, I refreshed. The social pop-up, the social proof for some reason just does this. I don't know why. Oh, you know what I want to do? Let me go back in and change the time so we don't have to wait so much. So let me go back and edit this, and we'll take this interval down to 2 seconds so we don't have to wait as long. All right. Yeah, let's do that. So back here, republish. And now we'll go to the website, copy, go to our incognito tab, paste. All right, now let's give it a minute, a second or two here. I changed the settings, so it should just be a second. Once it's published, there it is. Keck from the United States, St. Augustine decided to boost their immune system. Okay, I see right now I don't like the verbiage there. Decided to boost their immune system should be his or her, but how would I know? So I might want to work on that verbiage, and I think our turkey worked out great there. Obviously, you'd want to put your logo or whatever, but that's how it works. It just shows up here at whatever interval you determine, and it goes and stays for 5 seconds is what I have it set for, to stay for 5 seconds, and it's just going to keep scrolling through what you have in there for the actual users that have pulled the data from whatever data source you've indicated, and then also from any ghost users. Now, a little bit about the ghost users. Some people look at it and say, "Oh, well, that's not ethical because these people didn't really buy this or whatever." But, you can be creative with it. I'm sure you've got people that have bought your stuff or opted into your email list at some point, that you could put on here that they would be cool with. So, you want to, have some integrity with it, but it's a great tool to be able to, get you going and see how it works. But it's really good for, so that's what they call it, social proof. They look here and people just subconsciously think, oh, well, here's proof other people are buying this. So it must be good, right? Okay, so let me drop this and I'll drop this. And again, another cool thing is it works across different web pages. So that's cool too. Once you have your social proofs loaded here, you can see they're all going to be listed right here. And again, really easy to manipulate and do that. And right from here, you can go to the social proof dashboard if you want here and go ahead and work from that angle as well. All right, so that is the long and short of the social proof. Again, I think it is a great, let me stop this here. I think it's a great tool for, just giving people that confidence that they're not the first one. Is this a real thing? And then they can see all these other people that are jumping on, and they get that FOMO, fear of missing out, right? So that's the social proof pop-up. I encourage you to check it out. Use it super quick. I mean, you can put this together in no time, and I think it really will give you some good, powerful results for your visitors to push them in the direction you want to go. All right, my friends. Well, thanks for being with me today. And tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. Wait, before I go, I want to mention tonight, Tuesday night, our Tuesday night training, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today, we are going to have MI6 in the house. Okay, you know it is the Mag 5.5. That means the Mag 5 plus Shelly. I call it MI6. But anyway, the Mag 5, all of us, plus Shelly, we're going to be on the Tuesday night training tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern time. And we're each going to take a little time and tell you how to take content that is already produced on Builderall, like, for example, from the blogs we produce, and how to create your own content from that content. So very important, because, that can be a sticking point for a lot of people to think, oh, I don't know what to write. I don't know what my content's going to be. You don't have to. There's plenty of content out there. We give you plenty of content from Builderall that you can just take and make your own. And that's what we're going to teach you tonight in the Tuesday night training. And each of the 5 of us in the Mag 5 are going to put our own little spin on it. And I'm hopefully sure that Shelly will throw in also. All right, you guys. So with that being said, come back tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern time. You can see it posted in the Facebook groups to get on there and join us for that. And join me tomorrow morning, which will be Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time, for some more Builderall training. Until then, let's build it with Builderall. Ciao for now, friends. I'll see you tonight.